Hey guys, Tenzin here. Good to see you again. I'm out grocery shopping today, and wow, the weather is so unpredictable lately. Feels like it might rain any moment. Hope you're all taking care of yourselves, especially since most of us are living far from home in this big, strange city. All right, let's go inside. First thing I always do, grab my favorite red basket. Now we're ready to shop. Picked up a pack of fresh almonds, really good for health. Got some figs too, and of course, my favorite, Tata Gold tea. I never leave without this one. I needed peanut butter for breakfast, went with the creamy one as always. I had of rice at home, so had to grab some today. Ended up choosing India Gate basmati rice. It even came in this reusable plastic container, which is a nice little bonus. Look at this potato, it's heart-shaped. So cute, right? It's mango season, so I picked two. I absolutely love mangoes. And yeah, also bought a whole sack of potatoes. Gotta stock up. Also explored the section with Indian traditional sweets. They looked tempting and perfect for anyone with a sweet tooth. Added wheat flour. Wheat flour is so useful for making momos. And even though I'm trying to avoid processed food, I bought this party snack. I gave into one indulgence. Dark Fantasy Choco Nut Dipped. The packaging was too elegant to resist. That's it, done with shopping and time to pay. I spent rupee 748 in total. Not too bad for a cart full of comfort. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next short. Take care.